Hey, how's it going? This is Anbin, the creator of YoPrint. Let's talk about what's new in YoPrint for July 2024. We've been busy behind the scenes brewing up some major enhancements and minor features to make your experience with YoPrint even better. We have a lot to unpack, so let's get started. First up, new product importers. We've tossed out our aging product importers and replaced it with a brand new, rewritten from scratch version. This overhaul addresses those inconsistencies between what's on our system and what's live on a vendor's website. We've also added additional monitoring that will notify us if something goes wrong. Duplicate customer detection. Now when you enter the name of the customer, YoPrint will search for the customer with the same name. If we find a duplicate customer, we will let you know and you can choose to update the customer instead. Customer detail dialog enhancements. We've made tons of small changes to make the experience even better. Firstly, we added a full screen dialog support. If you have a larger screen, you can now toggle the full screen button to take advantage of it. Next, we moved the QuickBooks mapping panel higher to make it more compact. This means less scrolling, marginally. Based on your feedback, we've also moved the orders, quotes, and invoices tab forward. In hindsight, this feels obvious and should have been there since the beginning. User uploaded product line item enhancements. We now record the product cost correctly for user uploaded products. The good news is that our profit margin and markup calculator will now work for user uploaded products. File upload enhancements. A couple of our users pointed out that the dialog is a little cramped, especially when the file names are long. We've gone ahead and made the dialog a little bigger. You can also go full screen if you prefer even bigger dialog. You can now preview the image just by hovering over it. Message template enhancements. We've introduced a new unit price variable that you can use to display the unit price of a line item in your purchase order emails. Invoice list page enhancements. We've added download option to the context menu to make it easier to get a PDF copy of the invoice. Just right click and you're good to go. New user settings page. We've applied a fresh coat of paint to the user settings page to bring it in line with our YoPrint v2. Bug fixes. Most notably, we fixed a bug where authorized.net declined transactions were not being recorded correctly. We've also fixed a bug where saving payment terms sometimes fail with a duplicate not allowed error. So, what about v2? The good news is that we're getting very close. We've just completed our first round of bug testing and working on fixing those issues right now. We're also terribly sorry for the delay on this. We definitely underestimated the complexity of our undertaking and are behind by a few months. I'll also make a separate video going over our progress and a live demo of the development. Personally, I think you're gonna love it. Thank you for watching our video and stay tuned for more.